presenting a pre-owned 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 152,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 10 miles per gallon in the city, and 15 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include 6-disc CD changer, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, OnStar, and power windows.